Black holes are some of the most mysterious and terrifying objects in the universe. Their gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But what if you fell into one? What would happen? Let's find out. To understand what happens when you fall into a black hole, we first need to know the structure of one. At its core is the singularity, a point where gravity is so intense that space and time themselves break down. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once you cross it, there's no coming back. Now, let's imagine you're an astronaut drifting closer and closer to a black hole. First, you'd experience something truly bizarre. As you approach the event horizon, the gravitational pull on your feet becomes much stronger than the pull on your head. This extreme difference in gravity causes a process called spaghettification. Yes, you'd literally be stretched into a long, thin strand of matter, like a piece of spaghetti. This stretching happens because gravity is stronger the closer you are to the black hole. It pulls more on your feet than your head, so the further you fall, the more you get stretched out, until, well, you're torn apart at the atomic level. But wait, there's another strange effect. Time itself begins to warp. From an outside observer's perspective, it would look like you're moving slower and slower as you approach the event horizon. In fact, they'd see you freeze in place just before crossing over. That's because time dilation, an effect of Einstein's theory of relativity, gets more intense near massive objects like black holes. For you, time would feel normal, but for someone watching from far away, it would look like you're frozen in time. Now, let's imagine you somehow survived the spaghettification and actually crossed the event horizon. What happens next? Well, no one really knows. Once you pass that point, physics as we know it breaks down. You're cut off from the rest of the universe, and everything we understand about time, space, and matter falls apart. One theory is that you would be crushed at the singularity where gravity becomes infinite. Others speculate that black holes could be gateways to other parts of the universe or even different dimensions. But these ideas remain purely theoretical. The truth is, we don't have all the answers yet. Black holes push the boundaries of our understanding of physics. What happens inside remains one of the greatest mysteries of science. Imagine you have a friend observing you from a safe distance as you fall in. From their perspective, your time would appear to slow down. The closer you get to the event horizon, the slower your clock would seem to tick compared to theirs. To your friend, it would look like you're frozen in time at the edge of the black hole, never quite crossing the event horizon. However, from your perspective, time would seem to flow normally as you plunged into the abyss. So, what would happen if you fell into a black hole? You'd be stretched, frozen in time, and eventually torn apart by intense gravity. But what happens beyond the event horizon? That's a question we may never fully answer. For now, it's a journey best left to the imagination. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment below with your thoughts on what might lie beyond the event horizon.